Happy Independence Day to all of you. And today is a proud moment, and we are all filled with emotions on this day every year. So that's good. It's good to celebrate these days because we celebrate it as a sign of our struggle for our forefathers, for our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives. But now comes the question that what we get from these celebrations. So there is a wrong narrative in our mind that just celebrating, these Independence or Republic Day makes us a too patriotic person. It doesn't. It does not make us a Deshbhakt. So why I'm saying so? Like just take a simple example. You are a religious person, or you consider yourself a religious person, just by celebrating a festival on single day. For example, I am celebrating Deepavali. So celebrating Deepavali only on a single day does not make me a true religious person. For that, I have certain principles to follow, which are mentioned in my religion. I have certain responsibility, duties towards my religion. So just celebrating festival does not make me a religious person. In the same manner, celebrating Republic Day or Independence Day by shouting slogans or putting status on WhatsApp stories, that does not make us a true patriotic person. So then what else makes us a patriotic person? I am just mentioning this. I am not giving you lectures. I am just trying to make you realize something more is there to do. So the source is simple. We have a constitution, and in constitution it is clearly mentioned 11 fundamental duties that we should follow. It's simple that if we are following our duties, we are true citizen, we are good citizen. For example, for a parent, to be a good parent, to be a good teacher, to be a good student, what we need? We just need to fulfill the duties and responsibility of that position or that role. So same thing is with patriotism. What are these fundamental duties? It's not that simple, but we should be following that. So first comes with our own self, like strive for the excellence. Like we should be working each and every day harder and harder to develop ourselves. So because if we develop ourselves, we are developing our country. Our progress is the progress of our country. Other than this, there are some very important fundamental duties like developing scientific temperament. What does it mean? Like you should question, you should have the nature of inquiry, you should inquire about the any event, any fact. You should be in the discussion mode. Actually, you should not believe something because it is said in that manner, because that's the root cause of main problems in the country, that we tend to believe what is not justificable, what is not proven with facts and data. Other than this, we should protect our environment. We should respect the dignity of women. We should avoid social evils and any practice which hamper the development of our country. Other than this, we should also have duties regarding following our constitution, which is broad document, provides so many values to us. So these and all, promoting educations, these are some values or duties we should be following to become a true patriotic person. Okay, we can just read, go to internet, just type 11 fundamental duties, you will get that. And one more important thing I missed, like we also need to increase, promote the feeling of brotherhood, unity, because the problem we see at present society is we are not united, we are not religious tolerance. These are all a responsibility which needs courage to follow. And I also want to mention the reason behind this mentality, why we are so why we are just connect the feeling of patriotism with slogans, or singing song, or doing some simple things. Because before independence the situation was like this: we needed to sacrifice our life, come out of our house to against the Britishes, fighting, sacrificing. But that's not in the case at present. At present we feel कि यार war हो जाए so we will go and fight for our country, we will sacrifice. But that is not the situation. Challenges are different, but responsibility is the same. You need to be responsible for your country. So whatever action is required, I see like people who are polluting environment, who are putting garbage here and there, throwing garbage, they also feel themselves patriotic just by shouting slogans or putting a status on their social accounts. But that's not the case. We must realize what we are doing, and we must promote that true patriotism in ourselves. For that, we must ask some question to ourselves. That's not about single day. It's good we are celebrating, but we need many more things. We have many other responsibility to follow. So I hope you will think and you will analyze what you think about yourself. Do you think you are a true patriotic person or not? Okay, so thank you.